Very simple, easy. Take the cover off the tensioner using a 14mm wrench. Just lift up on the tensioner for the belt. After you take the belt out, just route it to the side so it's not on the way. Next up, there's if you can see, a bracket with a 10mm nut. Just take that out. After you take the 10mm out, you want to get the throttle body hose off the throttle body. Leave it at 7mm. Put it aside so it's not on the way. Next up, we're gonna remove the driver's side tire. You can access the wheel cover, wheel well. Up next, we're gonna be removing this clip that holds this bracket, so you get access to the alternator bolts. Bolts in the bottom that holds the alternator, and one on the top. Two bottom ones usually comes out pretty hard, and top one's pretty easy. And there it is, it's a boy. Just gotta take the nut out and disconnect the connector, and should follow the same step that you took it out to put it back in. Just pull the tab back, connector will come right out.